And welcome. Yes, it's late in the day. It's 4:40 Saturday. Been working on a function generator all afternoon. It's been kicking my butt. I'm headed to dinner. My wife's out of town and the boys are doing something, so off to Mexican food I go. What do you say we go have some Mexican food? Navigate to Mr. Juan's Tryon, North Carolina. There you go. All right, let's head that way. We're running full self-driving. It drives the entire way. Of course, I keep my hand on the wheel because that's a requirement. We drive along twisty, turny roads. As you'll see, it's very advanced now. Does very well. I'll run this a little while and then stop it and see if I can catch some of the good, more difficult turns and twists and things. Just going up a hill. It's kind of hard to see here. Following a pickup truck for Domino's. I guess somebody has a taste for pizza tonight. We run the auto speed. You can see this here. So it determines what the best speed is for the conditions. Kind of a sharp turn around here, not very good visibility, but I'll show you just how easy it is to use the Tesla full self-driving to get you from place to place. Speed limit's 45. It just going along at a speed of 34, and it's chosen that all by itself. I chose this restaurant only because the way to get there. It's a lot of back roads, a lot of turns, things like that. You'll see for yourself. First turn here. Got a little kind of a funky turn here coming up. It's well, I don't know what you call it. It's kind of a box. It's a confluence of three roads, and it just kind of a funky country turn thing. So we'll see how it goes here. See what happens here now. Sharp turn, we got to stop, and then we got to go again. And look over here. Yeah, kind of weird, huh? And it determines the speed. Got another complex turn coming up here. brake angle. It's more than 90 degrees. This is truly the backwoods. 2-lane road that kind of connects all kinds of stuff here. Instead of taking Landrum Highway and 176 and all that, Navigation's decided to take the back road. This is a road we normally travel when we go down to this particular restaurant. This is going to be fun. It's kind of a, I don't know what you call it, a snake run here. A lot of sharp turns. Run, squirrel, run! Now we're here on Asheville Highway, or 176. And has to look to the left. Looks like nobody's coming. Full stop. Now we're headed towards the Tryon area downtown. I better put my hand a little harder on the wheel. It warns you a little bit and then it beeps at you if you ignore it. Don't want to do that. Again, I just hang my hand on the wheel, which provides the necessary torque and keeps it happy. We're not too far away. Nav says 1.3 miles now, 2 minutes. the restaurant's up ahead. Let's see what it's going to do. At this stage of software, sometimes it just stops, sometimes it doesn't. I'm going to probably pull into the parking lot here. And it wants to go up just a little more. And this is where we turn. So it's going to turn right into the parking lot. And I don't know if it's going to park. I don't know where it's going, but I think it's going to want to park there, but I'll park it over here. Well, there you go. Tesla full self-driving. It asks you why it disengaged. It's because I wanted to park someplace I didn't want it to, so I parked over here instead. There you go. Tesla full self-driving. Essentially from my house to the restaurant. No interventions. It's pretty awesome stuff. If you like this full self-driving video, there'll be lots more, so stick around. I'll try to challenge it as much as I can. You're guaranteed to see some pretty weird country roads in my testing. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next FSD video, and take care.